Okay, later today I am gonna do my nails, so I'm thinking of, I don't know, I have two sets. So I have this one right here. Oh my goodness, it's not, there you go. Look how adorable this is. And I love the dark green, just reminds me of my purse that I hand stitched. And look how cute. Sorry, my dog's drinking water in the back. It's Lady. You wanna say hi to Lady, guys? Anyways, how I was saying, they have little trees, little sparkles. I love it. Okay, so I have these. Let me show you the other one. I don't know if you guys captured it. And this one right here, they're so cute. So I have 2 weeks, a week and a half for Christmas, so I know I could use both of these no matter what, but I don't know which one to do first. Me being sick honestly took me like a whole damn week, and I'm over it. I want to get back to my routines, back to my videos, so I had to do a little bit of cleanup. As you saw, it was dirty and I wanted to wipe this down. It was so dusty too. I had to clean the nightstand as well. I added my clean sheets yesterday, but I just had to make the bed before I get started. Also, I didn't even share this planner last time, but look how cute. Let's see how it looks inside. And this is from the brand of Clementine. How cute. Probably in a little bit I'm gonna start marking stuff down already because January is close by, guys. It's so close. I'm just letting you know, you guys should mark it on your calendars, but this is an important day. January 6th, my birthday. Anyways, this is actually pretty cool, and I like how they have like the little dots. And I wish the papers were a little thicker. They are on the thin side, but oh well. I didn't see that when I went to the store. I just saw the cuteness. But you guys will probably see me fill in a couple of the dates here. Oh, another important day on January actually is the 12th. It's Lady's birthday. right, so these are the nails. Oh my goodness, they came out so cute. I love this one with the tree especially, and I ended up cutting them. They're too long for me. I don't know what it is, but I can't. I wish I could have like the longest nails, but this already feels long to me. I love it. This one has some snowflakes, but it did give me a French tip just because I ended up cutting it. But I think it's so gorgeous. I love them. And then another day I'm just gonna try these before Christmas is over. I can't believe it. And I ended up lowering the volume so you guys could hear me. And I love this movie. Honestly, I feel like they did a great job, and sometimes either sequels or remakes, they suck, but I really love this one. And I'm almost done with my hot cocoa. Oh, my snowman flipped over. Now let me give you the deets on this. So I did just this 85% cocoa dark chocolate. Oh my goodness, honestly it is so strong. So I ended up adding the cacao powder, 2 of the little chocolate squares, and then some regular milk. And I've seen people add, I think, powdered sugar or regular sugar, but I'm like, what's the point? Like, the point is just to taste the dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate, so I think this is fine for me. I think what sweetened it for me was the whipped cream on top, and then obviously I'm gonna finish with that marshmallow. So life happened and I wasn't able to vlog as much for December how I planned it. I had it all planned out, but things happened. I got sick, and as you could hear my voice, I'm a little nasally. I'm drinking tea, as you could see, trying to get better. It's been a little bit of a roller coaster. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the last part of my video, but I really wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys get to spend it with your friends and family, and also a Happy New Year. I'm still gonna be vlogging, don't worry, but just in case I couldn't do another Christmas content, time is going by so fast and I can't believe Christmas is next week, but I'm excited for it. Any plans you guys are gonna do, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are gonna do for Christmas, the holidays. I hope everyone has a beautiful Christmas, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys.